Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Heasie Invest. Today we're taking a look at the U-KEY, which is a tiny little juice vaporizer by a company that goes by the name of DazzVape. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what comes in the packaging. So you have a USB charger cable, you have a little vaporizer, you have instructions on how to use the vaporizer itself. So right away, the first impression I get is it is tiny. I mean, it barely makes a mark on my hand. You would have a cartridge that would go right in here, flip it up, and you would be good to go. Just looking at this, the target group that this vaporizer is after is for discreet users, also for people that are looking for something that they can just throw in their back pocket or in their purse. I would say it's not for advanced users that are looking for something that they can soup up and make their own, what would have a lot more, let's say, bells and whistles on it. This is straightforward. A good group that would really enjoy this product would be medical patients that are looking for something that doesn't take up too much real estate, yet it's quick to use, it's simple to understand, it feels pretty good in the hand. What's good to know about this, we spoke about the size is tiny, it's lightweight, you can replace the atomizer tube, it's not something that's permanently on the vape itself. This little baby supports 0.5 milliliter cartridges and 1 milliliter cartridges. Now, this is very low-key. It's not going to attract attention, and I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that don't want to attract attention. They just want something that they can use quickly and put away without having any eyes on them. This is something that would fit that demographic perfectly. The only issue that I had with this is that it didn't come with the cartridge, so make sure that if you are looking into purchasing this, that you take that into consideration, or else you're going to get home and not be able to use the pen itself. So let's go ahead and put a cartridge in, explain how you would load this up and get it going. Yeah, this is the U-KEY from DazzVape. The black U-KEY with the juice cartridge. Now it has a good weight to it, and you can go ahead and flip that. Boom. There we go, all juiced up. Now the way that you would want to fill these cartridges, the easiest way is to have a syringe like this. If you get distillate, this is one of the keys to your success. The long needle, push that in like that. And what you would want to do is you would just insert the needle as far down into there as you can, and you would just go ahead and press that and fill that in with as much juice as you please. And it wasn't too messy. I mean, I've dealt with vaporizers before that by the time I had it filled, the pen itself was sticky and my hands were just super sticky. And that goes ahead and screws back on that and you're good to go. And it looks nice, man. It looks nice in the hand. Now this does support, like I said, 0.5 milliliter and 1 milliliter. If you have the smaller ones, it's not going to stick out as much as this does. Even if you do have the larger cartridge, I mean, the size of it is just so tiny. Now that you have the U-KEY by DazzVape, you have it in your hand, you have your cartridge filled, you want to know how to use this little baby. And it is simple. DazzVape has gone ahead and made this a one-button system. There's no glowing neon flashy lights. It's just going to do what it's supposed to do. To power this on, you would go ahead and hit the button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna flash 3 times with blue lights to let you know it is fully juiced. If you get red flashing lights at that point, you should probably go ahead and power it back into the USB before using it. You have 4 different voltages, 2.8, 3.2, 3.6, 4.0. In theory, I guess the way this works is the lower the voltage, the more taste would be delivered through your hit. The higher the voltage, the more that's going to burn, the bigger the cloud will be. To switch between the voltages, you would go ahead and click the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 2.8. 1, 2, 3, 3.2. 1, 2, 3, 3.6. 1, 2, 3, 4.0. So now we've discussed the voltage, how to load it. There's only one thing left to do, ladies and gentlemen, and that is test it out. This has a 10-second preheat system. Go ahead and hold that button down for 10 seconds. You should get a flash after it is ready to go, and you will start to see a little smoke coming through. You can see smoke just starting to come out. I'm gonna go ahead and pump it up to 3.2, hold it down, gives you the flash. Oh yeah, definitely. Holy schmoly. Definitely. Whoa. I'm sorry, I usually don't cough in my videos. That thing is hard hitting. Now that I'm in La La Land, okay, how do I continue? Oh my god. Yeah, so be careful when you put it to 4.0, 3.6. You're gonna be, god damn, you're gonna be hitting the big clouds. Whew. So who is this vape for? Who's gonna enjoy this? This is definitely not for your expert vapor. This is not for someone that wants to customize. This is not for someone that wants to show off. This vape is practical, and it's gonna be used by people that just want something simple, something small, something that can move around with them without making a big splash. And I can say that after using this for a week, I really enjoy it. It does what it's designed to do, and that's give you nice hits of your marijuana. Overall, great little vape by DazzVape. Check it out, it might help enhance your life. This is Heasie Invest. We out.